Subscribe Magnifying Earth and press the bell icon for recent updates. Ten most extreme railways in the world. Number 1. Maklong Railway Market, Thailand. This charming old-world railway market is located a few kilometers away from Bangkok, and it takes about 90 minutes to get to this southwestern market by a minivan. The main highlight of this market is that a live train runs down the middle of the market. A warning bell sounds before the train comes, allowing the stall vendors to scurry to pull back their umbrella shelters before the train comes. Everything is so well designed that the train runs by barely touching the produce and merchandise placed on the rail by the stall vendors. Number 2. Goktaik Viaduct, Myanmar. The Goktaik Viaduct, also known as Goktaik Viaduct, is a railway trestle in Naon Keo, Western Shan State, Myanmar, also known as Burma. The bridge is between the two towns of Pai and Olwin, the summer capital of the former British colonial administrators of Burma, and Lashio, the principal town of northern Shan State. It is the highest bridge in Myanmar and when it was completed, the largest railway trestle in the world. The bridge is located approximately 100 kilometers northeast of Mandalay. Number 3. Burma Railway, Thailand. The Burma Railway, also known as the Death Railway, the Burma-Siam Railway, the Thailand-Burma Railway and similar names, was a 415-kilometer, 258 miles, railway between Bantbong, Thailand, and Thanbyuzayat, Burma, built by the Empire of Japan in 1943 to support its forces in the Burma campaign of World War II. This railway completed the rail link between Bangkok, Thailand, and Rangoon, Burma, now Yangon. Number 4. Ferrocarril Central Andino, Peru. Ferrocarril Central Andino, FCCA, is the consortium which operates the Ferrovias Central Railway in Peru, linking the Pacific port of Callao and the capital Lima with Huancayo and Cerro de Pasco. As one of the Transandean railways, it is the second highest in the world, constructed by the Polish engineer Ernest Malinowski in 1871 to 1876. Number 5. Pilatus Railway, Switzerland. From Alpnachstad to Pilatus Cum, the world's steepest cogwheel railway winds up through lush meadows carpeted with alpine flowers, past sparkling mountain streams and fascinating rock faces. Number 6. Tren Las Nubes, Argentina. The Tren Las Nubes is one of the 3 highest railways in the world. It departs from the city of Salta, at 3,894 FISL, and ends its journey at La Polvorilla Viaduct, at 13,850 FISL. In its way, it crosses a road that takes to the clouds, with enough time to enjoy very different and changing landscapes, from the green hills of the Lerma Valley where the city of Salta is located to the desolated Punas immensity. Number 7. Nepal Railway. There was the only functioning Nepalese passenger railway in Nepal until it was closed down due to construction of a new standard gauge line due to be completed by 2017. This 59 km narrow-gauge railway ran between Janakpur in Nepal and Jinagar in India close to the border between the two nations, and was of 2 feet 6 in, 762 mm, gauge. The line continued to Bijalpura, but this section is currently redundant due to a damaged bridge. The capital, Kathmandu, has no railway connections at all. Number 8. Jelmabane Funicular, Switzerland. The real roller coaster experience. The Jelmabane is a funicular railway in the canton of Bern, Switzerland. It links a lower terminus at Handig, in the Haslittal, with an upper terminus at the Jelmersey Lake. Number 9. Pamban Bridge, Rameshwaram, India. This railway bridge connects mainland with Rameshwaram Island, can only be seen from Road Bridge. The bridge is located in the world's second most corrosive environment after Florida, making its maintenance a challenging job. The view is extremely beautiful and can enjoy the view at any time from early morning to evening. If we are lucky, we can see a running train on this bridge. View of Pamban, Rameshwaram is also very beautiful. Sea water is so crystal clear and rust can be found at railway bridge due to heavy sea wind. Number 10. White Pass and Yukon Route, Alaska. The White Pass and Yukon Route is a Canadian and U.S. Class II 3 feet, 914 mm, narrow-gauge railroad linking the port of Skagway, Alaska, with Whitehorse, the capital of Yukon. An isolated system, it has no direct connection to any other railroad. Equipment, freight and passengers are ferried by ship through the port of Skagway, and via road through a few of the stops along its route.